How can learners improve their speaking abilities?
Speaking. Speaking. You have to speak for sure.
Yeah, of course it wasn't and yeah, you know, to tell the truth, this is a part of the truth that in order to improve their speaking abilities, you have to speak. But it is easy said than done. You know, the many people, especially native speakers, who suggest you talking to improve their speaking abilities. From them, it is weird to hear from them because they are native English speaker. It is not it is not a big problem for them to speak in English. But is I would like to show you today my personal experience of speaking. More than 8 months ago, my English wasn't so good what I have right now. Of course, my level English right now, it's not so good, right? But my English speaking English level 8 months ago was pretty bad, and now I'm gonna to switch on some recording the conversation with my with my companion who helped me to improve my speaking abilities 8 months ago.
Hello?
Hello.
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 That's the problem. Yeah, you should fight. You should prove that you have your rights, and that's not easy.
Yes, but if the government of labor say that it's illegal, they my employer must prove that I can't work because if I get the shot of COVID-19 vaccine of COVID.
What do you mean? I mean, they can't.
And I think you right now you can compare with my level, what I have right now, and with that time, right? The level what I have right now, it's much better, much better. I don't have any gaps right now, and I don't have any doubts of what's the words should I use. The differences between Marat in that time and Marat is this time. This is a lot of time of learning English, of speaking, listening, writing, and reading. Yeah, and I think 100 hours of learning English, especially speaking practice, right? Yeah, I have a lot of practice with different platform, Imigo, with a personal tutor, with a companion, with just talking, or an interview in my channel, or vlogs, and all of these tools to help me to learn English, to improve my speaking abilities. And the one crucial point of such kind of things I would like to share with you. This is you don't need to shy. We are people and we do mistake. You don't need to have anxiety to that you are not good enough, you are make mistake. All of the people make mistake. I do mistake, and I don't care about it. The main point of your speech, it is the transfer some information from one person to another. If another person understands you, this is totally okay. I don't say that you shouldn't pay attention of your mistake. Of course, you have to eliminate them from time to time. You have to improve your speaking, but this is not should be the obstacle of your speaking. Mistakes of speaking. This is a part of education, and you should know it. Okay, and now at the last of my video, I'm gonna to put some excerpt of the interview of people who give me interview, and they are non-native English speaker. They have a accent, they have a mistakes, they have a lack of confidence, but they are talking, and I would like to inspire you to do the same things. Okay, thank you for watching me, and goodbye.
Most than everything else is the fact that this is the only Jewish country in the world. You can find a lot of Muslim countries, a lot of Christian countries, but there's only one Jewish country. And mainly when we look at the place where it is located in the Middle East, so it is in the middle of Muslim.
We have so many people from around the world here, so many different cultures, and Brazil turned in a mix of culture. And like we have Chinese, we have Arabs, we have Africans, we have the South America here and there.
Okay, I'm learning English mainly to try to get better opportunities in my career, because I'm trying to do a scientific career. So I know that a lot of things I need to understand English. I used to read some things in English, but now that I'm studying in other countries, it's even more necessary for me also speak and understand well the English speaking.